Hey everyone, my name is Jack. I'm an IA for eecs 370, and a lot of people were asking on Piazza on ways to upload files to Cane. So I just wanted to put this video out there to show students how I personally like to interact with Cane. This isn't at all required for the course, nor is it, I guess, sponsored by the course. This is just simply how I like to SFT use Cane. And if you ask other instructors for help, they may or may not be able to help you. So first, we're going to talk a little bit about the tool we're using. So we're using sftp, and it's pretty similar to SSH, except instead of typing in SSH, you're going to type in sftp instead. So it's going to be sftp, your username and the host name. So if we want to sftp into Cane, it's going to be sftp Jack, your unique name. So for me, it's Jack Hong, and the host name. So login-course.engine.umich.edu. After you log in, you have to fill out a duo, and then you get dropped into the sftp prompt. So right here, we're in the sftp prompt for Cane. So now in this documentation, we have a bunch of different commands we can use to interact with our local machine and our remote machine. So first, I'm going to want to take a peek at what's on my local machine. So I can use the lcd command to do that. Or sorry, not LCD, that's changing directory. It's LLS, the one below. So on my local machine, I have my eecs 370 folder. So I'm going to want to change directories into that eecs 370 folder if I want to upload a file. So I'll do LCD eecs 370. Now, if we want to take a peek and see what's inside the directory, we can do a second LLS. And this tells us that inside of eecs 370, we have this myc file. And this is the file I want to put onto Cane. So what I could do is I could do put, and I could use the file name. But what this will do is it'll put it on your home directory on Cane, which is a little annoying because your home directory will quickly become cluttered. So what you can actually do is you can do, so I'm just going to delete that file firstly. So I'm just going to use the rm command, and that'll do a delete on the remote host, as you can see here. So what I'm actually going to want to do is I'm going to want to change directories on the remote machine. So that's just going to be a CD. And I'm going to want to change directories into my 370 folder. So first we can do an ls to see what folders I have on Cane. We have my 370, my 470, and some other folders. And I'm going to do a CD into the 370 folder. And then I'm going to do that put. So yeah, I hope this was a short introduction to SFTP. Other IAs may or may not be able to help you depending on their familiarity with the tool, but I'm hoping that this documentation and video is hopefully enough for you to get started using SFTP. All right, see you guys.